His career may have taken in time as a youth team player at Arsenal, a variety of moves across the English Football League, and as far away as the Indian Super League, but the finest moment in Sanchez Watt's career came last night during Hemel Hempstead's National League South clash with East Thurro. Watt, who made 3 appearances for Arsenal during the 2009-10 campaign, scoring once, now finds himself with non-league outfit Hemel Hempstead after recent spells with Lik Town and Crawley Town. While Hemel would come away with all 3 points after recording a 2-0 victory over East Thurro, things could have been different had Watt not remained on the pitch after a hysterical mix-up with the referee regarding his surname. During the National League South game, Watt was cautioned by the match official for kicking the ball away. Upon receiving his yellow card, Watt and the ref accidentally conspired to cause mayhem. When the referee asked Watt for his name, no surnames on shirts in the National League South, Watt responded 3 times. Understandably, the ref thought Watt was cockily saying "what?" as if he was pretending to not have heard him, so promptly dished out a second yellow card and sent the former Arsenal youngster off. Thankfully for Watt and his Hemel teammates, Captain Jordan Parks intervened and explained to the referee that the former Kerala Blasters forward was in fact called Watt and wasn't in fact attempting to be insolent towards the match official, who promptly rescinded the red card. The rescinding of the red card ensured Watt enjoyed the perfect evening, having already scored earlier in the game to help Hemel to victory.